Let's talk about the latest launched Honor smartphone Magic 7 with diamond-cutting elegant design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with LTPO OLED display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1264 by 2800 pixels, approximately 93.55% screen-to-body ratio. Approximately 453 ppi pixel density, 5000 nits HDR peak brightness, Dolby Vision and HDR color. Quality support, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with giant rhino glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 24mm Omnivision OVH 9000 sensor wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.9, along with 50 megapixel 68mm 3x optical zoom telephoto camera with aperture 2.4 and support optical image stabilization, and with 50 megapixel 12mm ultra wide angle camera with aperture 2.0. For selfies, it has 50 megapixel 22mm centered punch hole front facing camera with aperture 2.0. Video recording maximum 4K at 24, 30, 60 fps on rear camera, and 4K at 30, 60 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 9 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 4.32 GHz dual-core Orion V2 Phoenix L plus 3.53 GHz hexa-core Orion V2 Phoenix M, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chipset, paired with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12GB, 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, 1TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.1 by 75.8 by 7.95 mm, and it weighs around 199 grams, and the color options: snow white, moon shadow gray, velvet black, sky blue, morning glow gold colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5650 mAh battery with 100 watt super charge fast charging, 80 watt supercharge fast wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C headphone jack, with large amplitude dual stereo speakers. Support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control support, emergency SOS via satellite, messages and calls, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor Magic 7 has been priced in China for 12GB, plus 256GB storage variant at 4,499 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 4,799 Chinese yuan, while the 16GB plus 512GB storage variant at 4,999 Chinese yuan, while the 16GB plus 1TB storage variant at 5,499 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor Magic 7 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.